Is calling 2022 CR 5352, State of Texas versus Paul Vasquez Jr. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar from the state of Texas.
Defense?
Todd Coronado for Mr. Paul Vasquez.
Are you Mr. Paul Vasquez?
Yes, I am.
Did you review the document with your attorney entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Paul Vasquez Jr. who's placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 5352 for the offense of felon in possession of a firearm on August 25th, 2022 for a term of 2 years and extended for a total of 1 year? Is that you?
That is correct.
All right, state.
Violating condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Paul Vasquez Jr., defendant there, failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the month of March 2024 in violation of conditions.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Your Honor, state waives all the violations.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 2 years in the prison?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, it's to extend the probation for 1 year and amend for Bexar County ISF and to take into consideration the new night mag. And that's night mag 759661.
I'm sorry. Could you repeat that again?
Sure, 759661.
All right. I'm not going to follow this agreement. His previous motion to revoke was also for a number 4. And now he's back again for the same thing, not reporting. It appears that he doesn't want to be on probation. I mean, he had a motion to revoke for a violation of condition number 4, not reporting. That's why he was extended for 1 year. And the results of it was finding number 4 true, denying the motion, alternate amending conditions to include IOP, extend for 1 year, referral to felony drug court in custody, and the UA hotline until further notice. And again, he's not reporting. And he doesn't appear to, I may be wrong, but he doesn't appear to be a 17-year-old or 18-year-old. When the court says report, I think he knows to report. That's the minimum.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah.
On my behalf,
You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
so help me God.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Paul Vasquez Jr.
All right, what would you like to say?
On the probation incident, I understand what I did fail on it and everything. On the community service, I've done community service, but it was under understanding of my probation officer and my mentor. I was doing community service. I meant to switch.
No. Here's the thing. I want you to focus on the not reporting because I require that people report. Are you saying if somebody at probation told you you didn't have to report, then that's a horse of a different color.
Right.
But if that's not what has happened, then we're back to your not reporting.
Right. That was my mistake. I was doing good and everything, and then I'm not gonna lie to you, I had some issues with girlfriend problems and whatever, and I know that shouldn't be anywhere, doing.
We're always back to
Yes, but
we're always back to Eve and the apple thing. Okay.
and I understand, but in this incarceration, I finally was deceived by her and everything. Like she lied to me a lot, whatever. I know it's none of the,
I mean, I
it has a lot to
understand.
do with it, but it don't. But I'm gonna be honest with you. I accept my faults and I learn from my mistakes. I'm 45 years old and I put myself in a Narcotics Anonymous while I'm in jail. I've gotten a certificate. I'm continuing my GED class while I'm incarcerated still. I'm doing something positive instead of negative when I'm.
All right, so here's my question.
Yes, ma'am.
Why does it take for people to be locked up in custody for them to decide, you know what, I'm going to better my life. I'm going to get my GED. I'm going to do all these classes when you were given those chances before. I don't understand.
From my perspective, I was just blinded. Everything just was like blinded. I had a lot of family problems also. That last time I spoke with you,
Mhm.
My stepfather was going through diabetes and getting his leg, amputated his toes and whatnot.
Mhm.
And I was going through a lot of issues in that part. Plus my girlfriend issues, so what you say.
What's your girlfriend, what?
My girlfriend, she like issues, personal issues with my girlfriend, but I do accept my faults, and I'm learning from my mistakes and whatnot. I'm trying my best, to I don't have a drug problem. I have no problem with, taking new age or whatever. I told that to my mentor and my probation officer. And I just wanted a better understanding on I did have a bad drug problem when I was in my early 20s, 30s, and lost my mother, and I straightened up. But I'm not here to cry to you. I'm not here to make you change your mind or anything. I understand my faults, and I'm just trying to change for my better.
I appreciate that.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. And I want to let you know that I've internalized everything that you've said. And I understand that sometimes people fall off the beaten path and
Yes,
they're
ma'am.
trying to improve themselves.
Yes, ma'am.
But I mean, you still have plenty of time to be able to improve yourself, okay? All right, the court is going to find violation of condition number 4 true. The court is going to grant the motion, sentence you to 2 years in the prison, taking consideration 759661. I'll request the therapeutic community. It doesn't increase the time the time you're at the prison, but it will help you with any other issues you may have. I can't force them to place you in the therapeutic community because I have no jurisdiction over the prison system. But you can ask for it and you'll see if they'll put it in there. There's going to be you credit for any time served, $1,000 fine, time and running to run concurrent.
Well, what do you mean by that? By all means. So what did you mean by that?
By what?
A therapeutic.
Yeah. What does
Oh,
that
the
mean?
therapeutic community, it's to help you if you have any drug or alcohol issues. And
Oh, okay.
it doesn't increase the time that you're in custody. It's just a program to help you maintain your sobriety and be on track for when you're released.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes.
But you'll still have to ask for it. I don't have any jurisdiction to force you into the program. You understand?
Yeah, that'll be a plus for me, right?
All right, awesome. Did you
Would I get
review?
my back time though?
Yes. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and I'm sorry, this is not a plea bargain agreement. You do have a limited right to appeal, and that right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on probation. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. When you go to the prison, I don't know, they may end up paroling you from the Bexar County Jail. I have no idea. I have no control over that. But whether you're released from the Bexar County Jail or whether you're released from prison, the first thing you need to do is find a sober house to live in, to find an AA or NA group and work on yourself. Because otherwise, what's going to end up happening is you're going to be right back here, maybe with another felony case, and then who knows what court you may end up in. They may end up offering you time. You may end up going to trial and being found guilty and doing some serious prison time. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
I plan to break the cycle.
All right, good. Thank you.
Thank you, Our waive excuse.
Yes.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Oh, thank you. God bless you too.